Good evening.
Good evening, children.
Good evening, ma'am.
How are you all?
Fine, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. Okay. Adya, Neha, good evening. Turn on the videos.
Good evening, ma'am.
Okay, so last time we were doing perimeter and area chapter, right?
Yes,
I
ma'am.
think we had finished the chapter, no?
Yes,
Done the questions. So did you do the work which I had given you?
yes, ma'am.
The examples?
I got my PT4 answer sheet, ma'am.
Huh?
I lost in two and I guess two questions, ma'am. So 20, 1.5 crore out of 25.
Okay. Which two questions went wrong?
Ma'am, of that chapter, ma'am, I one, ma'am, triangle.
Triangles.
Ma'am, and it was in algebra, ma'am, and yeah, ma'am, and I guess, yes, ma'am, I did simplify, ma'am, in raised to power, ma'am. I forgot to simplify that.
Oh.
Yes,
So you got your mistake where you went wrong?
yes, ma'am.
Hmm?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. 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 So today, shall we take up decimals? Yes?
Okay.
Okay, let's revise decimals today. So everyone knows the place values on the right hand side. See here. When you have a decimal point, the numbers towards the left side, there are numbers towards the right side, right? So these numbers are tens place, hundreds place, thousands place. Sorry, this is ones. It doesn't start from ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000, and so on, right? And this side you don't have ones place, okay? This is tens place, tens, okay? Tens place, then hundreds place, then thousandth place, right? It's like this: hundredth, thousandth, like this it goes on. And here we have the decimal point. So on the left side you have numbers as usual from ones, tens, hundreds, thousand, 10,000, so on. Okay. So representing numbers on decimals on the number line. Okay, so on the number line you can see here. Hello, can everyone see?
Oh, yes, ma'am.
Okay, so you have 0 over here, 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay, these are the numbers here. Okay, in between you have these markings, right? Small markings are there. So on your scale also you can see these type of markings, no? Small markings. So this one marking is 0 0.1, 0.1, 0.2, 0.3, 0.4, 0.5, then 0.6, 0.7, 0.8, 0.9, and then 0.9, and after that 0.1. Again, if we add, then we get the next number as 1. Okay, right? And same way then 1.1, 1.2, and so on. Okay. Write each of the following as decimals: 1, 2, sorry, 2 ones and 5 tens. Now you have to write these numbers as decimals. 2 ones and 5 tens. So 2 ones is the ones place, 5 tens will be 5 tenths. This is tenths. Okay, so 5 tenths will be 5 by 10. So that becomes 2.5. Okay, so you know how to write below the place values like this: ones place. This is the decimal ones place, tens, hundred. This is tens, hundred, thousand. So where will you write? This is 2 ones and 5 tens. The tens place is this, so you will write below this. That's 2.5. Okay, same way you have 30 and 1 tens. So 30 and 1 tens means 30, how will you write 30? 3 at the tens place and 1 tenth. 3 here, and this is 1. Okay, are you understanding, children? This is just the basics, okay? So then we'll move to the exercise. Now fractions as decimals. Okay, how do we represent a fraction as a decimal? So one way is just by dividing. Okay, when you directly see you have given the you are given the number 11 by 5. So you just divide by 5 like this and you get some decimal value, right? One way is this. Another way is you make the denominator into a round figure, okay, which has 0, right? You can make it 10, you can make it 100, right? So when you make it 10, that means you are multiplying 5 with 2 so that you make it 10. So then 11 will also be multiplied by 2. So whatever you multiply it with, both it has to be multiplied by both numerator and denominator. So that becomes 22 by 10. And you know this, that whenever you have like this numbers, 10 dividing by 10, dividing by 100, dividing by 1000. So You place your decimal point after leaving one place from the right side. Okay? Yes? So that's how you get this. Okay. Okay, children, let's take some questions from another this. Okay, we'll take some questions from here. This is fractions and decimals both. Okay, tell me this. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Which is the smallest fraction?
Seven by six.
11 by 6. Check out. You can check all.
Ma'am, C, ma'am. 11 by 10.
Yes, yes, check please. Divide, you can divide and check.
Ma'am, I got the answer for the first and second. Ma'am?
Yes. Yes, children. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Which is the smallest fraction? See, whichever has the greater denominator, that fraction will be the smallest one. Yes?
Yes.
Have we done that? We have done, no?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Now see the next one. 0.7625 lies between which two numbers? Check out.
Then 0.761. 0.763.
Which one? Tell me the option.
3. From B.
Don't just see this option. Just verify the answer with the whatever you feel right. Okay, so 0.76 and 0.761. Here this is 0.76 only. Okay, so it lies between 0.76 and 0.763. Yes, it's 25, no? Okay. So let's see further. I don't know from which book it came. This was given under the NCRT. Okay, I think it's the exemplar. No? Okay. Fill in the blanks so that the statement is true. It's a mix of fraction and decimals, right? The name of the chapter is fraction and decimal. Okay, fill in the blank so that the statement is true. Decimal, this is the number given, is equal to the fraction. Please write the fraction form of this quickly. Write it in your notebook. See, when you have three numbers after the decimal place, you will write it like this, 8125 by 1000. And then you simplify it further. Okay, it can be reduced by 5. So 5 twos are like this, and then 5, 1. So you have 3, 5, 6 is 30, 1, 2, 5, 2 is 10, 5,000. So further again it can be reduced. So let's take 5 again. 5 4 is 20. 5 3 is 15. 5 2 will be 10. 5 5 again with 5. Okay, 5 6 is 13. And 5 5 is 25. Okay, we have 65 by 8 now. Okay, now it cannot be reduced. So we have taken 65 by 8. This is the reduced form of this. Okay, the lowest form. Right, children? Anyone who don't understand, please ask. Neha, Adya, why the videos are off? Okay, see the next. Fill in the blank so that the statement is true. Okay, just do the subtraction. 6.245 minus 3.78 quickly. These are small questions. We won't take much time in this. 6.45 minus 3.78. Okay, now see this one. See here, fill in the blanks. Example number 6. Fill in the blanks with greater and lesser sign. Okay, so this is 8 by 45. You have to put the required sign here. Okay, greater or lesser. And then 816 by 89. So what will you do here? You will try to make the denominator same. Yes. But now here you cannot make 45 equal to 89. So what will you do here? 49 into 2 is now 90. 16 by 90 it became. Now you have the numerators equal. Okay. So when you have both numerators equal and your denominators are different, so the fraction with the smaller denominator is the greater fraction. Yes?
Yes,
Okay. And so we get 16 by 89 is a greater fraction. Okay, express 12 by 25 as a decimal. So to make it as a decimal, we always make the denominator to some number which is in multiples of 10. Okay. So if I multiply 25 by 4, I will get 100. Okay. These are the multiples of 10. So 12 into 24, here I get 48. So 0.48 is the decimal. Okay. Now convert 5809 grams to kg. Please write down. I'm scrolling down. 5,809 grams to kg.
5.8092.
Okay. So let's see some exercise here. Okay, this is the exercise. The fraction which is not equal to 4 by 5 is. Okay, please tell which is the fraction which is not equal to 4 by 5. So how will you find out that this? By taking the equivalent fraction. Yes?
Yes, sir.
Yes. Huh? So you can see the first one, if I divide the first option by 10, I get 4 by 5.
9 by 16.
So I get 4 by 5. Is there any other option which is equal, which is okay, which is not equal to 4 by 5? Okay, we have to find the not one, which is not equal. Okay. See, which is not equal. 9 by 15.
Well, it's not equal.
9 by 15.
It's not equal now.
Okay. So 9 by 15 is not equal. Okay, let's see next one. The two consecutive integers between which the fraction 5 by 7 lies are. So 5 by 7 lies between which two integers?
Mm-hmm.
5 by 7 lies between which two integers? See, 7 by 7 will be 1, no? Is it?
0, 2, 1.
0 and 1. Okay. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay, next one. When 1 by 4 is written with denominator as 12, its numerator is what? When 1 by 4 is written with denominator 12. That means 4 when multiplied by 3 will give us 12.
Numerator is 3.
So when 4 by 3, when we multiply this with 3, we will get 12. So the same number will be multiplied with the numerator also. So the numerator will be 3. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Which of the following is not in the lowest form? Now you tell me this, which is not in the lowest form. Not. You have to be very careful about these things. Okay. Where not is written. Yes, Adya, Neha.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, beta.
15 by 20.
15 by 20. Okay, 15 by 20 is not in the lowest form. Good. Question number 5. 5 by 8 is equal to 20 by p. Find the value of p. Adya, you tell me.
Ma'am, which one, ma'am?
Fifth one. Tell me the value for p. Hari, Hari. Yes, Adya. Yes, Neha, you tell me.
Ma'am, 1 minute, ma'am, I'm doing. Ma'am, the fifth one, right?
Yes, beta, fifth one.
Ma'am, it's C, 32.
It's 32. Okay. See, Adya, when you cross multiply this, you get 5 into p one side, and on the other side, you will get 20 into 8. Okay, so to find the value of p, it will be 20 by 8 upon 5. 5 and 4. 8 fours will be 32. Okay, Adya? Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Next one. Which of the following is not equal to the others? Okay. Now tell me this one. Which is not equal to the others? We have to check the equivalent fraction, which is the odd one. Okay. Which is not equal to the others.
I got the answer.
I got the answer.
Okay. Okay. Tell me which one? Which one?
C1. 15 by 20.
15 by 25. Okay. See, when you take the lowest form of this, you take the lowest form of this, you take this, they are all same. So this one is the one which is different. Okay. So which of the following fractions is the greatest? Which is the greatest fraction? The numerators are same. If you see the
lowest one.
so tell me which one is that?
5/6.
5 by 6. The one which has the smallest denominator is the lowest, is the greatest fraction. Okay. Which of the following fractions is the smallest? Okay, tell me this, the smallest fraction. Now here you can see all the denominators are same. So you will compare only the numerators. Yes?
So by 8.
Which one?
C.
Yes?
C, ma'am. 3/8.
C. Why Neha and Adya are not answering?
Ma'am, it's C.
It's C, beta.
Ma'am, for ninth one.
Ninth one we are coming, beta. So when you have all the denominators same, we compare only the numerators. Okay. Okay, then now the sum of these two. Now here you can see the denominators of both these numbers are the same. So you will add only the numerators. Okay. When the denominators are same, you add only the numerators. So what will be your answer? Yes, Adya, tell me.
Yes, ma'am.
What is the answer?
19/17, ma'am.
Okay, good. Okay. On subtracting 5 by 9 from 19 by 9, the result is what? Neha?
Ma'am,
Yes.
the result is going to be 19/7.
Which option, Biche?
Ma'am, A.
Option A. On subtracting, beta, it's saying subtracting. You're subtracting 5 by 9 from 19 by 9. Now,
Sorry, ma'am, it's going to be B. 14/9.
this one, okay? Okay, next one, 0.7499 lies between which two numbers? Yes, Shreyansh? Which one?
C, ma'am. 0.45 and 0.75.
0.75 and 0.749. Okay, and the other number is 0.74992. Okay, okay. It's C option. Okay. 0.023 lies between which two? Adya will tell me, Adya.
Ma'am, 1 minute. Ma'am, B1, ma'am.
B option 0.02 and 0.03. Okay, so it's 0.03, 029, 024. Okay, beta, B option is correct. Okay, next is 11 by 7 can be expressed in the form. Now check out the mixed fraction form of 11 by 7. Yes, Shreyansh.
Ma'am, 4, 1, sorry, yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. 1 4/7, ma'am.
Which option?
C.
Okay, C option. Okay, next Neha will tell me the mixed fraction of this can be expressed as the mixed fraction. How will you express it, Neha?
39/7.
39 by 7. B option. Okay, Adya, tell me 15th one. Adya, 15th one. Fifth, hurry up. Beta, these are all small questions. Yes, Adya? Shreyansh, you tell me.
Ma'am, C1, ma'am.
Okay, C1. Which of the following decimals is the greatest? Shreyansh, the greatest decimal?
C, ma'am, 0.29.
0.29. Okay, next one. Neha, which of the following decimals is smallest? Neha, tell me.
Ma'am, option C.
Option C. Okay. Okay, next one. 13.572 correct to tens place is how much? Correct to tens place. Yes, Abhya.
Ma'am, what does this mean? Correct to tens?
Yes.
Ma'am, what does this mean, ma'am? Correct to tens?
Correct to tens place.
Yes,
Now see, this is tens place is this place, no?
yes,
Where the 7 is here.
yes.
Now you have to this number correct to tens place you have to say. So when you see the preceding number is less than 5. Yes. So there is no change in the this number. Okay. So this number will remain the same. Had the number been previous number is suppose greater than 5 or 5. So you would have changed this number to 8. The rounding off. Okay. Okay.
Okay, ma'am, got it, got it.
So the preceding number should be either 5 or greater than 5. But since it was 2, so there was no change in this number. Okay.
Out of tens, yes.
So that is correctly tens place. So we just had to write the decimal values till the 10th place. Okay, next one. Neha, 19th question. 15.8 minus 6.73. Everyone must do it in your notebooks.
9.07.
9.07. Yes,
Yes.
children, is it correct? Okay, I'm taking your answer. Is it correct? Everyone must see.
Yes, ma'am, it's correct.
Okay, the decimal 0.238 is equal to the fraction. Now, what is the fraction form of this? Yes, Adya? See the fraction, Adya? Tell me this 20th. You're writing the fraction form and then you reduce it to the lowest form. Okay, see, you can see these are all the reduced forms. No, all the options. Hurry up, everyone must do. Adya, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me which is the option.
Ma'am, I'm attending.
Yes, hurry up.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, how to
Ma'am, A1, ma'am.
Huh?
A1, ma'am.
A1. Yes, children, is it correct? A1?
can you explain what this is?
See here, 0.238. You are writing in the fraction form. So you can write it like this. Okay.
Yes, ma'am.
So now you just reduce it to lowest form. Now see both are, you can see the numbers are even here. So I'll do this with 2. When I divide this with 2, so I get 500 over here. And 2 ones are, 2 ones are, 2 nines are. So I have 119 by 500. And this is there in this option, this A option. Okay.
Okay.
Okay. Let's see further these. Okay, you all know what are proper fractions and improper fractions? See, See, proper fractions are those where the numerator is less than the denominator. Okay. The upper part is the numerator, the lower part is the denominator. When the numerator is less than the denominator, this type of fraction is called proper fraction. Right? For example, 2 by 3, 5 by 11, like this. When the number is smaller, numerator is smaller. Improper fractions are those fractions where the numerator is greater than the denominator. Okay. 11 by 10, okay, something like this, 7 by 4, anything like that, wherever the numerator is greater than the denominator, right? So when you do this, you will see that when you change this to decimal, this number is always greater than 1. Yes, in improper fraction, it is always greater than 1. Why? How can I say this? When I divide 7 by 4, what will I get? 4 ones will be 4. I'm left with 3. Okay. Then I put decimal point here. Then 4 sevens. So this number is greater than 1. No? You can see here. In improper fraction, you can see the fraction is greater than 1. But when I take the decimal form of proper fractions, these numbers are less than 1. Okay. So you can always say that improper fractions are always greater than proper fractions. Yes, can you say that? Hello?
Yes, ma'am.
Are you understanding?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So I showed you that improper, when you divide any improper fraction, you change it to decimal value, it will always be 1 point something, no? So something greater than 1. But when you take the decimal form of proper fraction, say it is 2 by 3. So when I take 2, divide 2 by 3, the first thing I have to take point, then 0 over here, then 3 6 will be 18, then 2. So this is something 0 0.6. 0 0.6 means it is less than 1. Okay. So proper fractions are less than 1. Improper fractions are greater than 1. So we can always say that improper fractions are greater than proper fractions. Okay. Okay. So here there are some fill in the blanks. Okay, let's take up these only. Okay, the first one is a number representing a part of a dash is called a fraction. What will you write in the first, Neha? Yes, Neha?
One part of a whole.
Very good. It's a part of the whole. Fraction is always a part of a whole. Okay, next one. A fraction with denominator greater than the numerator. Fraction whose denominator is greater than the numerator is called a dash fraction. Shreyansh?
The proper fraction.
Proper fraction. Fraction with the same denominator are called dash.
Ma'am, like fractions?
Fraction, yes, like fractions. Okay. Okay, 13 5 by 18 is a dash fraction. What kind of a fraction is it?
Mixed fraction, ma'am.
It's a mixed fraction. Okay, next one. 18 by 5 is an dash fraction.
Proper fraction.
This is
Improper fraction.
improper fraction. Okay. 7 by 19 is what?
Proper fraction, ma'am.
Very good, proper fraction. 5 by 8 and 3 by 8 are dash proper fractions.
Like fractions, ma'am.
Yes, these are like. 6 by 11 and 6 by 13 are dash proper fractions.
Unlike.
Unlike fractions.
So these are unlike. The fraction 6 by 15 is in simplest form is what? What is the simplest form of 6 by 15? Yes, anyone can say
Mom, 2 by 5.
2 by
2 by 5.
We can reduce it with 3. 3 twos are and 3 5 by 5.
Right.
Oh,
I think we should give in words, I'm not in this.
yes, beta.
I was thinking we should give in words, I'm not in this. That's why I'm
Achha. Okay, the fraction 17 by 34 in the simplest form is what now? 17 by 34.
Mom, 1 by 2.
Very good. That's 1 by 2. Okay, we'll just complete this. The class time is over. Let's see. Oh, these are so many. Okay. Okay, it's still 44 question. Okay, let's do. The class time is done. Okay, 18 by 135 and 90 by 675 are proper, unlike, and dash fractions. So what else can you say about this? This is a proper fraction, it's unlike fraction, and anything else?
Mom, improper.
No, it's written proper.
equivalent fraction.
Is it equivalent? Just check out.
Yes.
Check out whether check the lowest form of both of them.
Okay.
Yes. See, when you reduce 90 by 675, when you divide this by 5, no, you will get, when you divide it by 5, you get this as 18 by 135. Okay? Yes. So this is equivalent also. Okay, children? So it's 18, it can be reduced. Okay, 8 2 by 7 is equal to the improper fraction. 8 2 by 7 is equal to the improper fraction. Write the improper fraction of this.
58 by 7.
58 by 7. Okay, 87 by 7 is equal to the mixed fraction. Now write it the mixed fraction form of this. 87 by 7. Yes, yes, fast.
And 12 3 by 7.
12,
3 by 7.
3 by 7.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. Okay, so we'll keep this much. There are so many sums in this. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Tomorrow also we have a class. Right? There are so many questions on this. We'll continue it further. Okay? In tomorrow's class, children?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay,
By
ma'am.
the
Bye,
time,
ma'am.
so by the time you should do for your homework, you can take up the decimal questions from your textbook. Okay? Try to do the exercise. So your homework for today will be to revise the decimals chapter from whatever book you have from your book.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah, thank you. Thanks to all.
Thank you, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay.